beautiful people. Welcome back. Today, we are making delicious mutura, African sausage, perfectly homemade. If you love street food, then this recipe is definitely for you. Let's get started. So I bought my mutura from the Meat Commission, and here I already prepared my grill. I applied a little oil on the grill so the mutura doesn't stick, and also to help it get that beautiful golden color. Once the grill was ready, I placed my mutura on medium heat and let it start cooking slowly. You don't want high heat because we want it to cook evenly and become crispy outside while remaining juicy inside. As it grills, keep turning it gently on each side to avoid burning and to get that perfect smoky flavor. The aroma coming from this mutura is honestly amazing. Now look at that beautiful color. Nicely grilled, juicy, and mouth-watering. This is the perfect snack or street food treat to enjoy anytime. Meanwhile, I prepared my fresh kachumbari using onions, tomatoes, and coriander, then squeezed in some lemon juice for that fresh, tangy taste. It pairs perfectly with the smoky mutura. Now look at that beautiful color, nicely grilled, juicy, and mouth-watering. Served together with fresh kachumbari, this meal is absolutely delicious. Serve it hot and enjoy with kachumbari, chili, or your favorite drink. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.